Dream big, start small, but most importantly, start. This is Ondeskplan. At Ondeskplan, we're all about empowering you to unlock your full potential. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a student on the cusp of graduation, or someone rekindling their career dreams, we've got your back. We offer a range of courses tailored to your needs, from personality development and financial literacy to business management and computer skills. Plus, with our internships, you'll gain the hands-on experience you need to thrive. Are you a final year student? We'll help you discover your life goals and equip you with the skills to achieve them. For those who put their dreams on hold to support their families, it's never too late to restart your journey. Our personalized coaching and strategic planning tools will get you back on track. Early stage entrepreneurs, we've got comprehensive support just for you. From company management and investment guidance to workplace availability, Ondeskplan covers it all. Join us today and let's build your future together. Visit ondeskplan.com to get